Hello children, we are still under lesson 4 in which we are doing about the realms of the earth. And in the last class, we have learned the second realms of the earth, and that is Hydrosphere. And we have come to know that our planet Earth is known as a blue planet or a water planet because major part of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Then also we have learned that all the water which are found on the surface, below the ground and surrounding the earth comes under hydrosphere. And the major part of the hydrosphere are oceans. So what are oceans? Oceans are huge water bodies separated by continents. And how many oceans are there? There are 5 major oceans on the earth, and they are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. So for today's class, we will learn all the 5 major oceans on the earth. So the first one is the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on the earth, and the Mariana Trench, which is situated in the Pacific Ocean, is the deepest ocean in the world. And the depth of the Mariana Trench, it is about 11,022 meters deep below the sea level. The Pacific Ocean separates the continent of Asia and Australia from North America and South America. And when we look at the shape of the Pacific Ocean looks circular in shape. Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. And when we look at the shape of the Atlantic Ocean, it resembles the letter S. It looks like the shape of letter S. And the Atlantic Ocean, it is bounded or surrounded by North America and South America on the western side and Europe and Africa on the eastern side. And the Atlantic Ocean is also known as the busiest ocean in the world because all the important trade routes passes through the Atlantic Ocean. And there are many big and important harbors on its coastline as it is very much indented. Now, what is the meaning of indented? Indented means a zigzag line. So because of this indented coastline, it has made very easy for the ships coming from different parts of the continent to park the ships for loading and unloading their goods. The ship can get a place anywhere to park. So because of this reason, we call it indented coastline, where there is no need to construct a harbor or a port. The harbor itself is natural. So that's why that is also one of the reasons that has made this ocean as the busiest ocean in the world. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean, and it is the only ocean that is named after a country, that is India. And the Indian Ocean is bounded on all the 3 sides by land, that is by Africa in the west, Asia in the north, and Australia in the east. And the Indian Ocean also indicates the importance of India in international trade in former times. And when we look at the shape of the Indian Ocean, it is triangular in shape. Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean is also called the Antarctic Ocean, and it is formed by the merging means joining of the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Atlantic Ocean. Now, due to the extreme low temperature in this region, a large part of the ocean remain frozen throughout the year. The last ocean is the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world, and it is located around the North Pole, and it lies within the Arctic circle. The Arctic Ocean is also connected with the Pacific Ocean by a narrow means a small passage of water, which is known as the Bering Strait, as you can see here in this map. This is known as the Bering Strait, where it connects the Arctic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean through this small, narrow or passage. Okay, so what is a strait? A strait is a narrow passage of water connecting large water bodies like oceans and seas. So children, we have finished all about the oceans. So we'll stop here for today, and in the next class we will learn about another realms of the earth, and that is atmosphere. So thank you children, and have a good day.